So, hello and welcome to my behind the scenes. Today, what we'll be shooting is the vitamin C, turmeric, H medics, something. But it's a lotion, a body lotion, and I have written down some ideas on paper, like I said, from watching videos, sample videos, body lotion commercial videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. And I've written down my a step-by-step guide on how I would want my video to play out. So the first scene right now is just showing the body lotion standing more like an introduction scene. You're gonna see that. So I'm just trying to show you before we get started. Now, please remember, this is the behind the scene. Nothing is perfect, nothing is well planned, nothing is staged. I'm just putting you through how I shoot product videos in my little space, right? So I had to rest down my softbox because I wasn't getting enough light that I needed. Now this is the entire setup, like I've said, and I added this small mini light, portable light, so that it adds some brightness to the front of the product because the front of the product wasn't well lit. If you had any of that kind of light, it could be a LED light, whatever, you could use that. You don't necessarily have to have this. So now the whole plan is for me to shoot this, and the way I wanted it to be is that it's gonna be filming from down going upward. While I'm filming, I'm gonna tilt my phone downward so that it looks like the camera is moving close to the product and going upward at the same time. All these effects will be added in the editing phase, but that camera movement I have to effect it. So I'm gonna start right now. I put my stuff on camera, right, and I'm on video. I move closer. So right now I'm in position, and I forgot to mention there's a backlight at the back of the product as well, so that it's, I don't know, it just brightens up the background while we film closer. Is it necessary? No, but it makes a difference. So come and see my screen. I'm recording, and then you can see the curtains, the product, the orange, the leaf showing. You can see that everything all looking all set. So you need to watch me while I film and push the product forward. Like, it's already looking super beautiful from the camera. So I'm gonna press on play, right, record, and then I've loosened up my phone holder. So all I needed to do is I tilt it down a bit. Then I go up gradually. I move up gradually with the phone. Come and watch what I've done. You'll notice that it was moving closer and then going up. Can you see that movement? Did you notice that there's a camera movement from down to the top? Do you see that? That's how it plays out. According to our list, our step-by-step guide, it says that we're going to press lotion with hand. So someone is going to come, press the head, and then the lotion comes out. So that is what I am filming on my camera right now that I've positioned it. Come and see. And this is how I'm going to put a setup. So someone will just come and press on the cap. You can see that. You just come and press on the cap and it will come out. I'm going to press it. Woo! Can you see that? See how it's playing? And then stop. So this is how it's playing out. Can you see that? Amazing, isn't it? You see the position at which I placed the phone. It's like really close to the product. It's like really close to the product, and the phone is tilted upward a bit. So in this third scene, I would be smearing the skincare product, the body lotion product. And as you can see, I positioned my phone tilted downwards, and I placed some light in front and back so that everywhere is well lit. Come and see what's going on my screen right now. So you can see the whole scene is looking really nice. By the way, I forgot to mention that when you're filming, it depends on the purpose or the objective of what it is that you're filming. We are filming for reels, right? Reels. So that's why my phone is like this. If it was for YouTube or for some other purpose, my phone will be on landscape, and I'll be filming on landscape. Now I'll be using this spatula to smear the lotion so that we could translate the texture of the body lotion to our viewers. So I'm just literally going to do it myself as I'm filming so that you can see. So now I've tapped on record, and then all I need to do is to just come and smear this like this. So the spatula will come in and smear the body lotion like so beautiful. So that's how it's gonna play out in the video. That's the end of the third scene. Now my fourth scene says show hero shot with fruits and props with turmeric standing on the lifter, and there's another scene that says show up close lotion while rotating on a rotating stand. So I would like to do that. This hero shot, I'm gonna put it as the last. So it depends on the stages at which you go follow your list. You can do the last one first, you can shoot the last one first, you can shoot the first one first. I'm doing the easiest ones, activities first before the hard ones. So in this part, I've had the rotating stand. I have the rotating stand, and then the same scene but with a different background color on the same softbox and my tripod. So I just want the product to be rotating on the rotating stand while I film it. Now I noticed that the front side is a little dark because there's light on this side and light on that side. So I'm adding this light to it to illuminate the front while I film. So come and see what is going on. So now that I've illuminated the front, if I take it out, you're going to see how dark it is, and I bring it back, you see how bright that side is. So I'm going to tap on record, and I'm just going to record this on 360 degrees twice. I want it to rotate twice, and then I will stop the video. So it's just as simple as that. So when I'm editing, I'm going to like move closer to the text, move closer to the cap, move closer to different parts of the body while it's rotating. So everything happens in the editing phase. Then I got the ingredients so I could create the hero shot that is part of my list. It's not the last scene, but it's the second to the last scene. So as you can see, I've placed the lotion, the ingredients, the turmeric as is written, vitamin C, the orange stands for the vitamin C, and of course this one, the ginger, which is what I'm seeing here. Any other thing I really cannot say. So where to place this is now the dilemma, because I really don't have much space. So I've found a way to put my ginger. This time around is a small size ginger, and then I'm just gonna shoot, filming it all the way up, right? I'm gonna film sideways so that the turmeric, the Medix 5 would show. So as usual, I'm tap on the video to play, and then I gradually move it closer to scene like this with my hand, and then that's the final result. So this is the result. You can see my camera is moving slightly to the side, and that's the final look. So haha, we are coming to the end of it. So we have come to the end of it all. As you can see, it was a journey. It was a journey, and this video is just to show you what goes on behind the scenes when I create product videos, and of course to give you ideas on some certain things that you would like to do for your kind of product. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed the video though, and if you have any comments or questions to ask me, please kindly leave it in the comments. And of course there's another one last product that I will be shooting, and it's a linen spray. It's a room linen spray. So watch out for the behind the scenes of this. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a whole deal, a great deal to us, and it will encourage me to continue to do more of this. Thank you so much. This wasn't prepared, this wasn't staged. It's just a raw form of content to show you what goes on behind the scenes. Bye.